Time for an overexcited unboxing, delivery from the washi tape shop. They've got some new designs out for Christmas as well, so I'm sure which of these is the new one, but they said they'd send me loads. So here we are. Let's have a look. I'm going to tip them all out like that, just because that's dramatic effect, and chuck the box to one side. Right, anybody who needs details of the washi tape shop, pause your screen now. I'll put you the links down below as well. Okay, so these washi tapes are basically the PET tapes, which means that they are clear and they have repeat patterns along them, and but they only repeat once every, I don't know, several miles of tape or something. So they're absolutely beautiful, and you because they don't keep repeating, you will get so many different designs out of each roll. So they work out to be incredible value. Now look at that. Oh, I say. Now look, see what I mean? If I roll along here, not repeating, not repeating, still not repeating, still not repeating. I don't know how many it runs before it repeats, but oh my goodness. Yes, you get the idea. That is gorgeous. I don't know what that one's called. I've just wrecked the wrapping, haven't I? So I can't tell you. I'm sure it would have said on one end. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know. But on the website, there's some really good pictures of each one. So you can pick. And there are hundreds and hundreds. I don't know how many designs they've got now. It's an awful lot. But wow, look at that. Okay, let's have a closer look at the next one. I'll put my glasses on, hang on. As soon as I don't need a respirator for doing this, I've got my glasses. Okay, so Silent Night Wide. Oh look, I've got myself. Yeah, this one's called Silent Night. Let's see what that one was. Let's see if I can decipher it. Where do I fare? Frozen something. I've ripped the label in half. Frozen something. That's all I can tell you. Oh, hang on. Here's the other half. No. Frozen something. Right. Excuse me while I bleed everywhere. I'm far too excited about these to go and get a plaster. So this is Silent Night. I'm going to have to get a plaster, aren't I? I'll back in a moment. Right, no one call for an ambulance. I've found a plaster. Right, here we are. So they seal the ends with a little bit of tape, which I can't get off. There we are. Let's have a look at this little guy. Oh look, isn't that adorable? Now what you do with these, I'm sure you'll have seen these in other people's videos, and I have made one or two videos with them, is you cut carefully around the little shapes to turn basically what is a roll into stickers of whatever size you want. This one is called, put your glasses back on, this one is called Cobalt Blue Wide PET tape. Yeah, I'm scaring myself with the big scissors too. really need to find all my smaller scissors. Oh, look at this. I must say a big thank you to the washi tape shop for sending me all these to play with and to show you. I will of course be making lots of stuff with these. They're going to keep making an appearance because these aren't all just Christmas ones, are they? So they will be making regular appearances throughout the coming year. They're slightly textured as well. I don't know if you can see that one. I can feel it. The outlines are slightly raised. But, oh look, that's a big one, isn't it? Look, that'd look nice in the middle of a tray. That would. Oh, fabulous. So that's the cobalt blue one. I think I'm fixed for washi tape forever now. I really am. Because I'd already got a load of stuff I bought from the washi tape shop. And, yeah. I'd say these are just out of this world, aren't they? Now, if you fancy any of these, by the way, I've got a discount code that they've kindly given me. This one's called Fireside. And, yeah, so if you have a look down below my video on your screens, in the description, you will see, sorry about the noise, you'll see a whole load of discount codes I've got for various places for you. And, yeah, the washi tape shop does have a discount code for you. Really should have got all this opened and got the tape off before I switched the camera on. But as usual, I was a bit too excited. I'd opened the box and that's as far as I'd got. You want to see why it's called Fireside? Oh look! Gosh, that's gorgeous. Goodness me. Right, okay. Let's wind this back up as well. Yes, apparently, although one of these is a new release for Christmas, I don't know which, but one of these is a new release. They said they were going to let me know when it was released so I could release this video for you. But I checked with them earlier today and it has already been released now. So you can go for it. You'll be able to get any of these. This one is Rose Noir. So when you're searching through their website, you'll find that there'll be lots of different variations of these. You'll find ones that aren't... There's different sorts. The one you want for resin, I would suggest mostly, is going to be the wide PET. So when you're searching and it comes up several different sorts of the same design, it's the wide PET one that I'm showing you here. Good job I've got nails at the moment. Oh, now that's classy. Look at that. That is basically monochrome, but with a little touch of gold in there when the light catches it. Beautiful. Oh, the big one. Yes. Okay. So it is a sticker. It's a long roll of sticker. As I said, you cut it out and peel the back off. And then you just use it like lots of little stickers. I use one of those cutters that what's it called? Little precision cutter that the end twizzles round. It'll come back to me in a moment. Harvest Hues wide. Okay. Yeah, so just cut them out, and or you can use a little craft knife or whatever you find easiest to use. And then you peel the backing off because they are sticky, and you stick them into your piece. Oh, look at that colours in there. Okay, let's get this one open. And yeah, it's perfectly resin safe. Your resin won't discolour it or absorb into it or anything peculiar like that. They will just show beautifully through your resin. Lovely. They all look hand painted. There must be a proper artist behind these. Goodness, that's gorgeous. Could have done with that when we were doing Halloween and autumn stuff, couldn't we? Just have to remember come next autumn that I've got that. This one looks like it's got cats on it. Cats, love cats. Kittylicious wide PET tape. Right, okay. Here we go again. Lots of noisy unwrapping. This one looks fun. I do love cats. I miss my cats. Maybe one day we'll have cats again. Oh, these are fun. Oh, I like that. Yeah, going to be some fun stuff coming up with those, folks. There really is. Two more. Oops, should have seen what this one's called first. Floret Trilogy, apparently. Must be hard to keep coming up with names for all these things, mustn't it? I must admit, when I first started looking at the washi tape shop, it was there thanks to Claire's Crafty Corner that I heard about them. I suspect many of us will have been the same. I thought, gosh, that's beautiful, but it's expensive. Until I realised, look at this, just how much you get on a roll and how it doesn't repeat for miles and miles. And oh goodness me, I'm going to wind this back up now. You know what? I think actually for the quality and the amount that you get, it's very, very good value. You think about it, if you bought a little pack of stickers that have got like a tenth of this amount in, you'd pay a few pounds for it, a few dollars or whatever, if they were good ones. I mean, this, when it peels off, is really thin as well, so it goes very nicely in your resin. So I think actually they do work out good value. Frost Bloom, this one's called. I've yet to decide what to make for my mum for Christmas actually, so maybe something using one of these. See, these would be her sort of colours. This will go with her bedroom, actually. Maybe a nice something to go in her bedroom. Oh, look at that. That's so delicate. Oh, goodness me. That is just stunning. Well, I hope, everyone, that you're as excited at seeing these as I am. Thanks again to the washi tape shop for letting me have some of these to show you all, and yeah, I'll certainly be doing stuff with them. Quite when, I'm not sure, because I, as usual, got a bit of a backlog of stuff, particularly so because of the craft room move has helped set me back a couple of weeks. But I hope you like them. I mean, I'm just gobsmacked. I knew they'd be nice because I've had some before. But these really are exceptional. So there we are. I'll pop you the links down below. As I said, you'll find the link for the washi shop itself, and so you can go and take a look. Look for wide PET, as I said. That's the type of tapes you want to look for to get these clear sticker type ones. And don't forget to use the discount code. It'll make quite a difference for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that was worth a quick look, and look out for my videos where I'll actually demonstrate using some of these. Look forward to seeing you for the next video. Bye, everyone.